How to convert SPayLater to CIMB Bank. Well, you cannot directly convert the CIMB bank account to SPayLater because SPayLater now is a buy now and pay later service offered by Shopee. So while CIMB Bank offers its own loan products like Revi Credit and other banking services. So to use funds from your SPayLater, you can only use it to purchase on Shopee or at participating merchants that accept Shopify with QRPH for payments or convert it to installments, and you can directly transfer SPayLater funds to your CIMB account. However, you can use it to buy your own products. Like in SpayLater, you can use it on CIMB Bank to buy some products because it offers a service where it can allow you to purchase items on Shopee and even CIMB, and you can pay for them later in installments or in full by the due date. And CIMB Bank offers Revi Credit, which is a separate loan from the CIMB that can be transferred to your CIMB savings or JCB account. And there's no direct transfer from SpayLater to CIMB. However, SpayLater usage, you can use SpayLater for purchases at CIMB and or using your QRPH. And that's how you can use QRPH.